Hello everyone, and welcome to the first video update on my new web application called Clanga, an app for keeping track of personal finances. This is also my first video on the channel, so I will start off with an introduction. My name is Hunter. I'm a full-time software engineer with a background in electrical and computer engineering. When I'm not working my day job, I enjoy exploring some of my own ideas. I have several goals for this series. For one, give informative updates about how the app development is going. And two, inspire others to pursue their own ideas and release them to the world. Now that I have that out of the way, let me introduce the project. As many people know, Intuit killed off Mint, one of the best applications out there for keeping track of personal spending. This was very disappointing because it had a lot of really great features and was easy to use. This inspired me to create my own web app for keeping track of personal spending. I plan to build the web app using Angular and Angular Material UI component library. For any backend needs, I plan on using Firebase for things such as storage, authentication, and even hosting. For banking data, I plan on using Plaid because it offers integration with a lot of banking institutions already, and it has all of the data I will need from those. After one night of working, I already have a base layout for my application. I've added a toolbar at the top with the app name and logo to the left and some action buttons to the right. The main view features a side nav panel and a content panel. With the different links in the side nav, the content panel will update. This is the view the user will see when they're logged in. There's also a sign out button at the bottom for logging the user out. That is just about it for this video update. Look for more videos like this one on the progress of the app. I also plan to share some behind the scenes videos, including my workspace setup at home. If you have any comments or feature ideas, or just want to talk app development in general, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.